Let's start with a new problem, which is known as valid palindrome problem. As we have studied yesterday about palindromes and solved a numeric problem on palindrome, whether that number is palindrome or not, let's solve a new problem which is also related to that previous problem only, which is known as valid palindrome. And here, instead of numbers, we are talking about alphanumeric characters. Yes, you heard it right. So, see, here we have to check only the alphanumeric characters, which includes letters and number, whether the string present with alphanumeric characters forms a palindromic string or not. Let's recap the yesterday's approach. What we have done yesterday, we have a number, we reverse that number, and we check each and every character one by one of both the string, the given string and the reversed string, whether they match or not. If they don't match, then we'll just return false, and if at last of the loop all characters are matching, so at last we'll return true. That was the approach yesterday. This approach can be followed here also. How? See, the string is given with many unnecessary characters like spaces, um, you know, um, commas, colon, exclamatory marks, etc. Because it is a string. Of course, it would contain these things. First of all, we have to take out alphanumeric characters string only. That would be first thing we should do. Taking out alphanumeric characters only from the given string. Second thing, instead of reversing the whole alphanumeric character strings which we got and then checking each and every character till from the first end till the end, better approach would be using 2 pointers. Yeah, friends, we are moving forward and talking about a new approach of 2 pointers. So let's first understand what is 2 pointers. Suppose we have string A, B, C, C, B, A. If we reversed it also, it would be A, B, C, C, B, A, right? And its indexing would be like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I am trying to tell you is that if I'll check 0th index with the last index, that is 5, we'll get true, right? So both the indexes contain same character, that's why it is true, it is matching. Let's move forward. We'll move forward from first index to the second index, that is 1, which contains B, right? And we can't move backward from the back of the string now, so we will move forward to check whether these two contains equal and in the same parallel manner same characters or not. We'll check at the 4th index, right? So from 1 to the 4th index, what we are getting? B and B, so it is also true. Again, we'll move forward, and from the back we'll move backward, and we are getting true. Here, remember, here we need to stop. Why? Because start is passing over the end, or you can say start and end are colliding. So this is our condition. While start is less than or equals to end. This is our condition. Remember guys, this is our condition. Got it? So let's start solving the question. First, we'll take out the length of the string which is given to us, and we'll convert this given string or extract from this given string alphanumeric characters only. For that, we loop around whole string and check for the alphanumeric characters. So s dot char at I, if that character is alphabet which is and it's or it's going to be number, then it means we can add on to our string. Have one more thing we have to remember. I just striked it right now. It could be a base case also. Here whole string which is given contains lowercase as well as uppercase letters. What we can do, we can convert the string into lowercase so that we don't have to write another case and check for that at the end. Okay, I've converted it. Now check whether palindrome or not, right? So I take a start and I take an end, which would be length of the new string minus 1, because our indexing starts from 0. So while start is less than equals to end, we compare each character str dot char at I, that is start, and char c2 is equal to str dot char at end. If c1 is not equals to c2, return false, otherwise at the last return true. What we have done, we have calculated the length of the string, converted whole string into lowercase letter. As you can see, it is a normal sentence, English sentence. Okay, so it can contain everything. Okay, we just need alphanumeric characters, and to reduce our work, we are converting whole string to lowercase. We are taking another string to form alphanumeric character strings only. Here is the logic for that: to create only alphanumeric characters which contains alphabets, lowercase alphabet basically, and digits. After that, we are checking for whether it is palindrome or not. If it is palindrome, then return true, and if the characters in between do not match, then return false. Yeah, If the character do not match, then return false, but it would be looping around again and again because we are not incrementing our start and also not incrementing our end. Now let's run this. Great. Finally, it is submitting. As you can see, it's submitting. Signing off. Bye bye.